Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your premier destination for high-end home decor and interior design inspirations. Today, we are exploring 12 exquisite ways to infuse your luxurious home with the timeless charm of Victorian-inspired spring and Easter aesthetics. We have curated these concepts to elevate your living spaces with grace, sophisticated colors, and intricate details. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support our creative community. Transform your fireplace into a focal point by layering ornate gold-framed mirrors with lush garlands of silk hydrangeas and eucalyptus. Delicate porcelain eggs painted with botanical illustrations add a touch of scholarly Victorian charm to the arrangement. Crystal candlesticks with tapered pastel wax provide height and a soft glow to the display. This combination creates a regal atmosphere that celebrates the rebirth of spring in a truly opulent fashion. Set a grand dining table using heirloom lace runners layered over heavy damask linens in a soft lavender hue. Fine bone china featuring gold rims and floral motifs pairs beautifully with vintage silver cutlery and pressed glass goblets. A centerpiece of fresh lilacs and wisteria in a silver teapot offers a fragrant and visually stunning tribute to the season. The intricate textures of the lace evoke a sense of nostalgic luxury that is perfect for a formal Easter brunch. Move away from simple dyes by decorating your home with oversized craft eggs, wrapped in rich velvet fabrics like sage green and dusty rose. These luxurious ornaments can be embellished with miniature pearls, gold lace trim, and silk ribbons for a jewelry-like finish. Display them inside a Victorian glass cloche or a footed silver bowl to protect their delicate textures. These tactile treasures add a layer of sophisticated craftsmanship to your seasonal side tables and shelving. Bring the essence of a Victorian glasshouse indoors by creating a dedicated plant vignette featuring ferns, lilies, and blooming azaleas. Use ornate wire plant stands and aged terracotta pots draped in moss to ground the floral arrangement. Nestling small stone rabbit statues and bird nests among the foliage adds a whimsical Easter narrative to the greenery. This concept breathes life into your foyer, greeting guests with the freshness and elegance of a high society garden. Elevate your entryway with a custom wreath crafted from high-quality silk ribbons in a palette of cream, apricot, and pale blue. Incorporate vintage-style resin cameos and small dried roses into the weave for a distinctively Victorian antique look. A large trailing bough at the bottom adds movement and a sense of grandeur to your front door or interior hallways. It is a sophisticated alternative to traditional rustic wreaths, maintaining the polished aesthetic of a luxury residence. A decorative folding screen featuring hand-painted cherry blossoms or peonies serves as a stunning backdrop for your Easter celebrations. These partitions can define a cozy tea nook or add a layer of privacy to a large drawing room during gatherings. Choose frames with mahogany or gilded finishes to ensure the piece complements your existing high-end furniture. The floral art provides a permanent sense of spring that feels both artistic and architecturally significant. Fill Victorian-style wicker baskets with handmade linen sachets embroidered with intricate bunny and flower patterns. These baskets can be placed in guest rooms or on vanity tables to provide a gentle scent of dried lavender and rose petals. Tie the handles with long flowing satin streamers that match the primary accent colors of your room. It is a subtle yet deeply thoughtful way to integrate the Easter theme into every corner of your home. Direct the gaze upward by adorning your crystal chandelier with delicate trails of ivy and miniature silk tulips. Ensure the floral elements are light enough to drape gracefully without obscuring the brilliance of the crystal drops. This overhead garden effect creates a magical, immersive environment for evening dinner parties and festive gatherings. It turns a standard lighting fixture into a breathtaking piece of seasonal installation art. Embrace the Victorian tradition of afternoon tea by setting up a dedicated service area featuring tiered stands of artisanal pastries. Decorate the treats with crystallized violets and pansies to mirror the floral arrangements found throughout the room. Use a silver tiered stand to display hand-painted Easter cookies, alongside a selection of premium loose-leaf teas. This interactive decor element encourages guests to linger and enjoy the refined atmosphere of your spring-themed parlor. Update your seating areas with luxurious throw pillows made from tufted silk and satin in muted spring tones. Look for designs featuring fringe edges, tassels, or center buttons to maintain the traditional Victorian silhouette. These cushions add a soft, inviting layer of comfort while reinforcing the seasonal color palette of greens and pinks. They are an effortless way to refresh your sofas and armchairs for the Easter season without a full renovation. Utilize vintage-style bird cages finished in white or antique gold as unique vessels for Easter displays. Fill the interiors with a mix of colorful faux birds, speckled eggs, and cascading jasmine vines for a romantic look. Placing these cages on marble-topped pedestals creates a sense of height and importance within your decor scheme. The architectural lines of the bird cages provide a beautiful contrast to the soft, organic shapes of the spring flowers. Create a gallery wall of framed pressed flowers and herbs to celebrate the botanical beauty of the spring season. Use heavy gilded frames and high-quality matting to give these simple natural elements a museum-quality appearance. Arrange them in a symmetrical grid to provide a sense of order and classic Victorian discipline to your wall decor. If you enjoyed these ideas, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more luxury design inspiration.